Hi guys, so I have a serious stash of photo paper, so I thought it would be fun to kind of doodle on it, just to make some really fun kind of shapes, maybe like some type of botanicals or something like that. I really don't know what I'm going to do for that reason. I'm just going to put this video in fast forward and you can watch. I'm just using some black ink that you would use for a dip pen. I'll put a link below to everything that I'm using, but you can find photo paper everywhere. It's super cheap on Amazon, but you can find it at thrift stores all the time. I see it, and it's a really fun process to kind of or really fun kind of substrate to play with and to paint with, especially with this type of ink. So I am just going to let you watch the process and I will hope you enjoy it. I'll see you at the end.
Every morning I'm gonna be here. Why are you crying? Why so many tears? You've been there for me, I've been there for you. Look in the mirror and think this through. Something as perfect and pretty as you. I never could leave, you gotta believe. But you think my heart's not there. Cause it's been a while. You keep telling me it's been a while. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see. After these years, you're still pretty, pretty. Truth be told, we grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. Cause I still think you're perfect. Perfect. Pretty, 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 pretty. Every morning you're next to me. Why do you worry? Just go back to sleep. I know you love me, you know I love you. Oh, think of the moments of me and you. Our love is stronger for what we've been through. You're my family, that's always gonna be. But you cry when I'm not there. You're afraid of time. You keep saying you're afraid of time. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see. After these years, you're still pretty, pretty. Truth be told, we grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. Cause I still think you're perfect. Perfect, pretty, pretty. Even in the morning, girl, you're pretty. Everything you do, girl, you're pretty. After 10 years, girl, you're pretty. 100 more too, girl, you're pretty, pretty. Even in the morning, girl, you're pretty. Everything you do, girl, you're pretty. After 10 years, girl, you're pretty. 100 more too, girl, you're pretty, pretty. Yes, I know. We've been together for so long. You think that I can't see. After these years, you're still pretty, pretty. Truth be told, we grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. Don't worry. Oh, yes, I know. We've been together for so long. You think that I can't see.
Alrighty guys, and they're all done. So I'm going to show you some that I did before, but I really love working with ink on photo paper. I think it's really cool. Some of these you didn't see on camera. I got interrupted. These look really cool, but I wanted to show you. Very nice. And it's just really fun patterns. I'll probably scan them in and use them in my other artwork. But I really love the black and white. This is a little cross that I did. Of course, my hands were sticky, so I got lots of things on there, and that's squares. So I really hope that you try this, that you check this out, that you check out the links below for where to get photo paper and the black ink that I'm using. But it's really fun. It dries very, very well. You don't have to worry if they get wet, they won't be ruined. And it's just really fun to make and doodle kind of with a brush instead of with your pen. With a really fun black fluid black ink. So I'm really enjoying this process. So I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. Please give me a thumbs up, and I would appreciate it if you shared this with your friends. I'll see you later. Bye bye.